The experience being part of this program, it's something that I've always wanted to, but then I didn't know there are such programs. Being part of this program has been a life changer for me, a lifesaver in a way, because I'm in a journey right now in my career where I am starting off, but this is actually what I need. And going forward, it shows me the guidance, objectives that I have for my career and the goals. It's things that I need, and I'm getting it from this program. It's such a great experience.
With the CLC mentor sessions, I found tremendous value in terms of connecting with the mentees, obviously learning from them as much as imparting knowledge. I think it was a very fulfilling session, talking about self-mastery and ensuring that you are the captain of your own ship. I'm wishing everything of the best to the mentees as they progress with the program, and it's been an absolute privilege contributing to the program and imparting knowledge. Thank you.
So I think what I've learned most about these sessions is that you are maybe not solely responsible for your own career, but majority of where you need to be in life is for you. The most inspiring for me, which was the career chess one, because it just sort of taught us what type of responsibility you need to take in order to take yourself forward and look deeper into your whole self and what you're doing in terms of your private life, your personal life, your work life, your balance. Is it actually getting you to where you need to be? And what I appreciated about last week's session is it was very much woman focused in the workplace, and being a woman in the workplace and the struggles that you face, and learning from women who have worked themselves up and worked hard to get to where they need to be in their career, experiencing their journeys with them and their struggles, and being able to take away from that. That was really good for me as well. Being with everybody and learning from all of those around me as well, and realizing that everybody's pretty much facing the similar challenges, whether you're a male or a female, and that all of us sort of have the same goal in mind, and we're all trying to make a positive change, not only to ourselves but also to those around us and those that we're trying to lead. It's very difficult to pick one or two things that's really stood out for me, because I think as a journey as a whole, it's been inspiring, it's been guiding. I'm looking forward to what is still to come with the mentors when we get paired with them, and I'm sad that this is our last session today.
In the limited time we have to respond, these mentees actually makes you think by the type of questions they've raised. I've been fortunate that I've got one of those skillful questions that I even couldn't answer, but it makes you think. Bev reached out and says, what do we want to see, where do we see this perspective? What I see is, and what I always say is, I learn from this. If we as mentors come and says we're going to teach somebody something, that's the wrong approach. We all come here to learn. When we go back is, how do we interact with it, and how do we take that journey?
The first session, key thing that I took away from there was being more aggressive in the workplace. And I've heard from managers and people above me that the aggressiveness is showing. I do know that I'm more open to speak to managers. I feel like I'm more confident when going into the workplace. I feel like these sessions are really helping a lot. I just want to say thank you to the team and thank you to the mentors. It's been great. Thanks.
This morning has been incredible. I knew that when I accepted to become a part of this program that I was going to gain from it as much as I would hopefully be able to give. But to be in a room as this morning with such a quality group of young people, it's been a real privilege, but also it just gives you such hope for the future of this country. Yeah, I've loved every minute of being a part of it. To just see the enthusiasm and the absolute desire to grow and to learn, the passion for life in the future has been amazing. So thank you.
Today's topic about inclusivity, so it was a great topic. My one takeaway was always show up as yourself. Always show up as your authentic self. Take up space. Don't be afraid to, in the spaces that you are, to advocate for things that you believe in. And also, I didn't realize that diversity also includes the way that you think. I always also took it as those boxes that they spoke about race, age, gender, and to actually know that diversity can also be in the way that people think. You know, just because someone is a certain color, we think, oh, obviously they're going to think in a certain way, they're privileged or whatever. The way of thinking is actually formed from different experiences.
They identify with the topic with a sense of belonging, also show the individuality. Everybody's got a different story to tell, also come from diverse backgrounds, and we're trying to marry their views as to how it fit in with the topic that we have discussed. I am very excited as a mentor to get involved with one of the mentees. This session today really sparked something in me where I feel that I can make a contribution, be part of their growth going forward, and hopefully they will achieve their desired outcomes in the future.
To understand that we are a whole individual, to work on not just our career development, but our mental health, our emotional health, our physical health, and our spiritual health. Build relationships and to carve the path out that is before us, and to adjust yourselves as you go. It's about a journey, it's not about a destination.
Coming from a technical background and transforming myself into more a managing background now. This first session was so enlightenment for me. Like, I couldn't explain it, but it helped me to see as I can become a manager. I can lead people. I know for myself I'm part of the youth, and whatever generation comes next, I can help lead them to be successful one day. Today's session taught me more about me saying no. Like, learning to say no. If I don't have the qualifications, I can't do it. If I have too much work, learn to say no. Learn to say yes in the sense I want to learn. I want to see what else I can do. I want to see where else I can go and what else I can transform myself into.